6. Prepare technology negotiations. My name is María Imelda Naranjo Acevedo, ground number 72. Definition of how to protect intellectual property of the software. To protect the intellectual property of the software, the ownership of the intellectual property rights of each of the components that are incorporated into the software is established, and that the regulations are in writing and are available to the interested parties. The intellectual property of the software belongs to companies that created or purchase the rights to that core or software. Conclusion. Preparation is important in technology negotiation, as the other parties can be persuaded to agree to what is being asked, which is it is important to take, take action before negotiating, which will increase the probability of success if there is clear and the lost idea of objectives. The result will be favorable. Thanks for your attention.